So this video picks up where I was parked at the Hoover group campsite. We'll go down to Hoover campsite and I'll show you the spots in there that we can park. So this is the Hoover Campground. This is the public campground. And the first thing you do when you pull into this site is go toward the boat ramp. So you want to turn left here. And if people didn't bring cash to pay for parking, they can actually pay with a card. This kiosk here to the left. And then if we continue down, we've got the boat ramp here on the right. The boat ramp has a big parking area by it. So we'll cruise down here. We're going to come back to this place where it says sites 22 through 35. We'll get back to that in a minute. And even though it doesn't say boat ramp here, it has a fish and an arrow. So we want to go down this direction. And here in the boat ramp area, there's parking on this side on the left that we can park at. On the right-hand side, it says for vehicles with trailers only. So we don't want to park over there. On this side, we can park on the left, and then we go around this corner. To the right is where the boat ramp is. We don't need to go down there, but here's more parking here. As you can see, I'm going to drive like a crazy man and go back up here. And then we'll cruise up here and turn to the left and do a hard left to sites 22 through 35, because by site 33 is where the overflow parking is, and it's also where the footbridge to the group site is. So we can cruise through here. To our left is site 33, straight ahead, kind of to the left I guess, is the overflow parking. This is where anybody can park with a day use pass. And I want to show you this. It says to Hoover reservation site. And if you go over that footbridge that's just behind the sign, you can get to the Hoover Group reservation site. And then to get out of here, you just keep going up, and we'll cut to the left, and that will be our exit. That is